We are here, we are here, we are here with running the levels, looking for market structure and patterns. Hey guys, this is a walk down the time frame. Let's find the perfect market to mark up on for EOG. Yeah, we're gonna mark up on a weekly time frame with this one. This one's very wide, so let's just make this happen. So what we're gonna do is this: we gotta find levels. So first thing we're gonna identify is what price action. Where's price action? Last active candle. Price action. Market goes up. How far would it go up for higher highs? Okay, got the high point. Price action. Market goes down. How low would it go? Lowest low. Also matches up with these areas here. I know there's a little area here dropped down little previous lows, but this don't really mean anything, so we don't see what's on in that area. We don't see any spikes or any consolidation or any patterns. So whatever's down there can stay. And what's in the middle is the midpoint. So we just divided everything to a high, to a low, to a mid. So let's break out the pattern. So also what you can do too, sometimes I like to add extra midpoint lines in the middle to help divide certain areas up so we can see more patterns in the market. So I'll show you guys how I do it. So let's start with the bottom. I'm just circle patterns on the way up. So this is how I created the SR structure. So from there, we just look for patterns in the market. There's a W here. Okay, there's a W here. Single bottom, retest here. Look like a W here. Retest, market pushed up, higher highs, W's, a whole lot of W's in here. So when you start seeing these W's like that showing that the market wants to go up, it probably will. And then some of the W's became M's or triple tops. So triple top right in this area here. And so when you at higher highs and you see a double top or triple top, that's showing that the market is going to come back down. Market pushed up once, market pushed up twice, market pushed up a third time, came back down. Then from there, we're looking for break, retest, go down. Market breaks, retest, go down. Market breaks, retest, go down until we back to lower lows. So when we at lows, we look at the W's and we see a W sitting here, which is the double bottom, which would be what? First leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. Retest, market shoot up how many times? Once, twice, three times. Cap. Okay, market is at the cap. Three pushes to the top. Market push back down. So market could push down at least three times, or at least once to three times. Sometimes in these areas like this, you see the market push down once and shoot back up from this area here. Okay, so when you look at it as a whole, it will be first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest, market shot up once, retest, and so on. Okay, so we can see little indentations where the market is pushing up in between the overall pattern. Okay, very important information. Okay, guys, thank you for watching and thank you for your attention. This is Cam Jones running the levels, EOG. Stop.